What's up, everybody? This is Carolina Mike, your host for SharePoint in 60 seconds, where you get the information you need right up front, and if you want more, stick around for a step-by-step walkthrough. Are your event web parts all wibber-wobbly messed up, like they're not filtering? You want a temporary fix? Well, stick around. We're going to show you how to get it working again, sort of. Alright, come back right after this. Don't go anywhere.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra. Careful with my hands, cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup on my pancakes. I don't care what you heard.
Let's go ahead and get that timer, please. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the calendar where you're trying to pull the events from, and you're going to go into the list settings for that calendar, and you're going to go find category, and you're going to fix any categories and make sure that they have no spaces in them if they're custom. Yeah, I know, it's weird. So you go in there and you see that. All right, cool. And you're going to go and you hit OK. And then you're going to go into your calendar and you're going to find the event that has spaces in the category, and you're going to edit that puppy. Yep, you're going to edit it and you're going to change it from spaces to no spaces. You're going to save that bad boy. And then you're going to go back here to your web part. You're going to edit that web part. And then you're going to go in here and you're going to say, you know what? We don't want those stinking spaces. We want to get rid of the spaces. Get rid of the spaces. And then ba-bam, you did it. You did it in the most unusual way. So let's slow it down, break it down, and talk about what the heck is going on here. The answer to the question is, I'm not quite sure, but I do believe it is being worked on by the powers that be. I could go back. Well, let's break it down and talk about some of the nuts and bolts, and really just boils down to, for whatever reason, category filters used to work if you had spaces in a custom category. Now they don't. You got to get rid of the space. So it's a little bit strange. But you can see here I've got two separate calendars. One is called default, one is called awesome, and we ran the same type of choices, teams, and then teams learning no spaces and teams learning with spaces. And for whatever reason, having the spaces is not allowing it to filter. Now, we can go back a little bit and talk about, how you even get this here in the first place. It is an event web part. And basically what I am doing in this particular scenario is I'm asking it to reach out to a particular site. The name of that site is called Calendar Demos. So we've got this calendar and this calendar both living on that site. And we're saying, yep, pull everything from all calendars that are categorized as teams learning no space. The moment that you switch it to a space and there are actually events, you'll have to trust me, that are categorized as teams space learning, they are not popping up. So there you go. There you have it. If you dig that solution, rock with it. Otherwise, you could wait to see what happens at the mothership. All right, well, hopefully this helps. Remember, do the best you can with what you got. SharePoint rocks, and so do you. We'll see you next time.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra. Careful with my hands, cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup on my pancakes. I don't care what you heard.